Today we're going to be looking at going through and moving apps on the iPhone, moving them into a folder, moving multiple apps, and even deleting apps. So let's go ahead and just get started. We have some apps here. If we wanted to go ahead and move the apps, what we would do is tap on the screen where an app is and hold, like I'm doing on the To-Do app. And it will go ahead and make them wiggle and put X's. If you've done this by mistake, either hit your home button or push up, depending which phone you're on. And to do it again, hold on to do, and it's going to go ahead and make it wiggle. So to move the apps, what you could do is just simply tap on the app where the X is not, and then just simply move it to another area. And you can move it like that. You can also go ahead and make folders. To make folders, all you do is grab an app and put it on top of another app. For example, I'll grab this game and put it on top of this game, and it's going to create a folder, and it even knows to create a game named Games. So that's awesome. Once we have all the games we need in there, we'll just swipe up from the top and we have our folder. If you want to go ahead and add any more apps, you just tap and hold, and then simply drag in and drop them. To get them out of the folder, you just do the opposite. Just drag them out. Once you have no longer more than one app in a folder, for example, you only have one, the folder will still be there, but you need to go ahead and grab the last one and pull it out. And then your folder will disappear. When you're ready to go ahead and delete an app, all you do is hold on it till it wiggles again and hit the X. It'll ask you, do you want to delete it? You just go ahead and say delete. To move multiple apps, what you do is you grab one app that you want to move first, and then you simply tap on other apps. And it will move multiple at one time. You can move them to the next page by just pushing to the side of the screen, and you can go back pushing to the side of the screen again. When you let go, all the apps will go ahead and disperse, and you have them all set. Again, if you want to move them a little more, just grab one, move it up, and you're good. And that's how to move apps, multiple apps, and delete apps. I hope this helped. I'm Kevin with Helpful Tutorials. Thanks for the view, and I'll see you in the next one.